Alexa, how do I find out about all the latest tech?
You should really check out Total Tech Reviews on YouTube. They have all the best reviews on the latest tech. And not only that, they also search the net to find you the best prices possible. There's also a rumor that they are starting a new section reviewing old tech that is still good and worth the money. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does. So the SeriesPortal comes in this shiny, nice black. You can get it in white as well. It's not too thick. The frame stands nicely on the side. I like it standing up that way, but it can also stand up that way if you've got enough desk space. Obviously, it flips the camera straight over for you. The thing I like about this is you can keep all your old photos. I won't go through them all my photos, but you get the gist. Now, what I didn't realise about this when I first got it is it's quite useful, because it's not only a portal, it's not only a photo frame, but hey Alexa, turn on my TV.
Okay.
It's also an Alexa, very handy to obviously turn on your items. Does everything an Alexa can do. But also, I'm not sure Alexa can do this, but hey Alexa, sorry, actually I got confused then because there's two different voice modes on it. So it's hey Portal, call Simon Lee.
Calling Simon Lee.
See, now this is going to give me a call on this phone because that's my name, obviously. Seems a bit daft to store it, but this is just for showing you. Now I'm going to decline that call. But yeah, so you can use that. That's on Messenger. Hey Portal, call on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So you can also use WhatsApp. Peter.
Can you repeat their name?
Peter.
One more time. What's their name?
Peter.
Sorry, I still didn't get that.
To be honest, I've probably not got him saved in there. That's why he's not getting it. Portal. Hey Portal, show me YouTube.
Okay, opening YouTube.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, smash a like on it. Also subscribe if you haven't already for all the latest videos that I'm going to be doing. Once again, I'm going to be doing it on my steering wheel, on this seat, on my telly, on the PlayStation, everything I've got currently on the old tech. Thanks for viewing this video. If you did find this video informative and you do want to buy one, they're still out. You can still get these now. Down in the description there's a link. I've had a good look around the internet, found the best price for you, so go and buy one, go and have fun, call your friends, go use Alexa, go turn your telly off, go do what you want, and I'll see you in the next one.